Hey friends, traders from around the world, it is Tracy here and it's time for our monthly challenge. February is here and it's Friends Month. We have 3 challenges for you every month: a real challenge, a life challenge, and a trading challenge. Now for the real challenge, I want you to commit to doing something physical every day this month with a friend. Go hiking, biking, or swimming, play some pickup basketball, or go to the gym. Doesn't matter what it is, just get out, get physical, stay fit, and have fun. For the life challenge, I want you to take some time to evaluate the people you spend your time with. In life, there are those who charge us, energize us, make us feel alive, and then there's others who are vacuums. They take our energy and they drain us. Evaluate these relationships and find a way to increase the time that you spend with the chargers in your life. I'd also like you to take some time to evaluate who you are. Are you a charger or are you a vacuum? Find ways to increase your charging capabilities. And finally, for the trading challenge, I want you to search for a trade that's been posted by somebody else on social media. It could be Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, doesn't matter. And I want you to go through that trade and evaluate it, learn from it. I want you to ask yourself what you could learn from it. What would you have done differently? And if you're up for the challenge, I want you to record it and post it on social media. Let's get out there and enrich our lives and the lives of others. Happy trading, everyone.